you think this is starting to wear on me? You've been raining down like hail. I'm weak. I have tried to give you my soul, but you can't love something you own. It's too late to repair what we made. What can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon.
G'day everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Anna and this is You Got Me in Stitches. I've not said that a whole bunch of time. Yeah. Today, coming in at you with my SewHayleyJane unboxing, and yeah, it is all arrived a couple hours ago and it has not been opened, so I thought I would come on today and open it with you guys. Grab yourself a cup of something and let's see what is in this month's July SewHayleyJane. Cheers everybody. Righto, let's go and see what is in this month's July SewHayleyJane box. I subscribe to the middle tier, which is the classic box, and it's a Nautica theme this month. Starting off with the main fabric this month, it is a cotton poplin and very nautical. It anchors a little sailboat, and in the classic you get a length of 2.5 yards. For the main fabric this month, the idea sailed into my mind and I am thinking of a shirt dress for a garment out of this main fabric. I think the Nautica detail would work really well for that style, and it kind of has a little nudge to the vintage era as well. Also this month we have received 5 buttons, and yeah, they kind of, obviously they're silver, but they kind of have that little brushed steel look to them. And yeah, again, it has a little bit of a nautical feel to it. I'm not entirely sure for me personally if that will actually work with the main fabric, but it's good to have buttons in your collection for ideas that also will come up later. Each month Hayley also includes candy, and yeah, I do not eat candy unless it's chocolate, and so I'll pass these to a friend. And accompanying that is a navy colourway of Gutterman spool of thread to match with the main nautical fabric. This month also you receive a little greetings card following along, and you get a gold envelope there. It is blank inside, so you can write to whomever you'd like and put a lovely greetings inside. Of course, each month you have the book that Hayley puts together, so a little sneak peek there, always a hello from Hayley. And interviews, it's always packed with stories, interviews, what people have made. So this one is make of the month. 3 boxes, 3 makes. Yeah, advertisements and all sorts of wonderful things. This one here is about the fat quarters and what you can do, and that's a feature each month from Tim Lynn, showing on a tie. Have Hayley's links, and yeah, so that is all that I am going to show you of the book this month. And yeah, so enjoy having a good read through that. Then in the classic box you always get 4 fat quarters, and I'll open these out so then you guys can see the designs a little bit more clearly. This one is my favourite fat quarter. It has little whales, it has little crabs and fish gulls on the whales. Yes, they're gulls, not seagulls. There's no such thing as a seagull. There's lots of different breeds of gulls. And yeah, sunshine. Yeah, I really, really like this. And of course, dogs barking in the background. Then we have snip, snip, little crabs. And this fabric would be great for lining in garments, pocket bags, purses, anything with a little nautical theme. The third fat quarter is another fun one, and yeah, little sailboats, sunshines, anchors. Finally, for the fourth fat quarter, another sailboat one. Some really wonderful, warm, happy colours. If you get the SewHayleyJane box, let me know what you make with your fat quarters. It's always fun to get a few ideas from one another. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing the unboxing this month of the SewHayleyJane. If you subscribe, which tier do you go for? And what inspiration and ideas have you for the wonderful fabrics this month? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or flap or a cheep or a chirp like the birds are doing. And hope you guys have a wonderful week. All being well, see you on Friday for Friday Sews. Okay, thank you so much. Here we go then. G'day. It's just the bugs now. And now my battery is flashing at me. Awesome. And a lorry. Double awesome. I want to feel outside, don't I? I know this is about take 20 of my outro. If you enjoyed this month's SewHayleyJane box, please, whatever you're doing, take care and happy sewing. Thank you. This one is my favourite, and yeah, it has whales, little boats, octopus and bloody dogs as well.